the early phase of sadhana, can we follow the suggestions of others in a collective living?
Neither early nor in the peak of your sadhana, it is always a rule that whatever suggestions are coming, offer at the feet of the mother, from there you receive. Don't accept any suggestion directly, whoever he may be. Especially, you don't listen to the advanced sadhaks. Mother's message is there. Never listen to anybody, especially advanced sadhaks. Why? Because the more you grow, there is a more possibility of ambition that I must have sishyas around me. So I will give suggestions accordingly. That will hamper your spiritual progress. So whoever he may be, however great he may be, suppose I am telling so much things, I never say that you follow me. You go to the writings of Mother and Sri Aurobindo. I am giving only inspiration to go to the Mother and Sri Aurobindo directly. Never follow because I have said. Because I interpret Mother's writing according to my consciousness, however beautiful it might be. It cannot be equal to the Mother and Sri Aurobindo. So you go to the Mother and Sri Aurobindo, offer whether good or bad, leave it. In front of Mother, good and bad has no value. Divine is not good or not bad. It is divine. So offer whatever suggestions you have. Attractive suggestions you feel, oh, it is coming from the Mother. Simply, suppose somebody wants that I should have a motorcycle, and Rajesh will want to give a motorcycle. I will say, oh, Mother is giving through you. No. You offer that motorcycle to the Mother. Then if Mother allows you, take, then you take. Otherwise, don't take. Bhakta Tukaram done that. Because of his song, the cultivators, they were very happy, and in that year there was lot of crop was more. So Shivaji, that news went to Shivaji. Shivaji told, then he is responsible. Though he has some the sharing, he should take some share from this production. 1% is also too much. So he deputed a person giving all these percentage, whatever calculation, along with some gift also. To whom? Tukaram. Tukaram was in meditation. His wife was there. He said, who are you? What are these things? No, Lord King Shivaji has given you. Oh, keep it. And wear the dresses also to the children and herself. After that, he came out from the trance. Who? Tukaram. He asked his wife, who are you? She said, you don't recognize me, I am your wife. No, my wife is not like that anybody will give and he will take it. No, she cannot be my wife. She was obedient. That is why she gave everything. And that deputed person said, we will not accept because our husband don't want. Then husband said, I will not accept because my Lord, I have not asked my Lord. He has not given me permission. He has not given me permission, whoever he may be. They said that Shivaji will feel hurt. He said, then my Lord will feel hurt. So they took away. And they told that this is what he replied. Shivaji told he is a real great man. Nowadays, who denies you? See? He is a real great man. But Shivaji said, okay. No. In the same night, Shivaji saw the dream that you give him. And also to Tukaram, that Shivaji is not giving, I am giving through Shivaji. Accept. Then Shivaji thought, I will convince him. 1 hour I will take a class, then he will definitely take. He came with all the things, also something extra, because he is coming now. He thought that he will explain, thereafter he will take. He said, keep it, everything, keep it. Then he was confused. He said that yesterday you have denied, today you, without asking you are telling, no, you are not giving, my Lord is giving. This should be our sadhana. Whatever is coming, offer to the mother. Be it is attractive or be it is dangerous, whatever it is. Offer to the mother. With calm and quiet sit for some time, without any attachment or repulsion. If you feel that you should accept, you accept. After that also you may say, you can tell to the mother that I felt, but whether it is 100% right or don't know, you save me from the consequence. That practice will make you perfect. Don't accept any suggestion or anything directly, however beautiful it may be. Mother always says that you should not keep anything in between you and me. Anything in between you and me.